So, Jordan, thanks for coming in. I just want to do a little video, a little case study on you. You're from Bristol, first time in the office with us.
Yeah.
Just want to find out a bit about what interests you, or how did you get involved in trading, and how your experience is with us, really, mate. So how did you get in, or why did you want to get into trading?
I've been thinking about it for a little while, really. Just wanted to subsidise income a little bit. Struggled to find a reason to do it, and then come across Brad's Instagram and message him through there. I'm just coming to the end of my second month of one-to-ones with Neil.
Great. So did you do the beginner's course and the one-to-one, or just started with the one-to-one with Neil?
Straight on to one-to-ones with Neil. Yeah.
I said it's the best way, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it definitely is. I mean, for me personally, unless I've got somebody there, like giving me the homework and sort of not guiding me through it, obviously you do as much as you want or as little as you want, but for me it's definitely beneficial having the one-to-ones rather than doing it at my own pace, sort of thing.
Now, how are you finding the one-to-ones with Neil? Obviously he's great, isn't he, to learn from?
Yeah, really
He's
good.
so experienced.
Really, yeah, a lot of knowledge.
Does the course around you as well?
Yeah.
Did you have any knowledge before?
Absolutely nothing. Did a bit on like the sort of trading 212 platform, but very little. So yeah, it's pretty much just from the ground up, really.
So Neil built the course around you, and so you said 2 months ago you started?
Yeah, just come to the end of the second month now. This is like the last day, really, of the second month.
And you made a little bit of money today,
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's been alright actually.
How are you finding it then, knowledge-wise now? Do you feel after 2 months you're at a stage where you can start sort of trading live and building yourself up?
Yeah, definitely. Confidence is a big issue, obviously.
Yeah.
When you're winning or losing your own money rather than on the simulator, obviously,
Of course.
the emotion sort of comes into it quite a lot. Especially, it's hard to earn money in it, so it's easy to lose it, sort of thing.
Of course.
You got to be confident and.
Got the right mentor and the right team around you.
Yeah, exactly.
Which hopefully we are.
Yeah, it definitely has been. Yeah, I mean, you do hear horror stories, but from my experience with you guys, it's complete opposite, really. So.
Oh, thanks a lot, mate. Appreciate it. And we hope you have a lot of success. Just a little bit of background for people that might want to get into trading. What's your background? You own your own business, or?
Yeah, so run my own car detailing business. Sort of been doing that for about 7 years now.
So you're pretty full on with your own job. So this is.
Yeah.
So, but you still find the time. So it doesn't take much of your time off learning.
No, not really. I sort of work between 10 and 12 hours Monday to Friday, so quite busy really. And obviously then I've got the business side of things to run afterwards as well.
Yeah.
After about sort of 3-4 weeks of the one-to-ones, I knew the times which worked better for me trading, which is the opens and the closing times really.
Okay, great.
So it takes 10-15 minutes out of each day.
Perfect. So that's great for other people.
You don't have to be at a screen all day, every day.
No.
Again,
Sometimes that scares people. They think, learning how to trade, you've got to be. It's a full-time job.
Sat there with screens in front of you all the time, which to be honest I did think that at the start as well, so I was a bit worried about where I was going to find the time, but you soon learn that there are good times and bad times to trade in. You see a pattern developing of your winners and your losers really.
What would you think is the best part of Educate to Trade?
The discussion group's really good, really beneficial. Having Neil at the end of a camera whenever you need him, or you guys be able to talk to whenever you're having a problem.
Yeah.
I think everyone's quite open as well. Obviously nobody talks about the size that they're winning or actual figures, but everyone's really open. If they've had a bad day, then talk about it. If they've had a good day, talk about it, sort of thing. So yeah, it's not like a sort of big kept secret.
Right.
And have you enjoyed your couple of days here, coming obviously travelling from Bristol?
Yeah, it's been good. Long journey.
Yeah.
Stayed in a nice pub, so yeah, it's been good being sat next to, like I said, sat next to Neil and just seeing things in real time, really.
Yeah. Reacting to the live score and seeing how that will work.
Yeah, exactly. Seeing how people react differently, and how you evaluate things differently. Obviously, everyone's different, so just getting that little extra boost of knowledge, really, before I sort of go on my own properly.
It's been good to have you with us, mate.
Yeah, you're always welcome, mate.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks for coming down and cheers.
No, pleasure.
Thank you.